Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be trying the sneeze challenge. And this is requested by, I wrote this down on paper by the way, Tico or Tico, sorry if I got that wrong, 5A0507. Yeah? Then there's Carson, Landon, I think. I'm sorry if I mispronounced that. Very sorry. But they said I have to get very close to the camera and sneeze as much as I can without putting my hand on my mouth. Yeah. And this is the sneeze challenge. And it's already begun, so better try to start sneezing. I'm also going to be talking during this. Okay, so there's this. I have nothing really I want to talk about. You know how I said in my intros that I'm gonna be talking about puppet shows? Yeah, I'm gonna be doing that soon. I'm gonna be voicing this Boris plushie. My little brother has a bending plushie, which his channel name is Mr. Sometime. Get that out of here. And yeah, go check his channel out. It's pretty good. And yeah. And so my bigger brother's gonna be voicing as his bendy plushie. And yeah, that's how it's gonna be. One of my comments said that if I'm just allergic to dust, no. I'm allergic to something else. I'm allergic to peanuts. Yeah. It's a really bad reaction. It could actually kill me. And yeah, this is early in the morning. Also, I'm soon going to be doing a tour of my room. Because I'm in my room. My bigger brother sleeps on the top bunk. And yeah, since I sleep on a bunk bed. I don't have any sneezes so far, sorry. Last 2 minutes are going to be in silence, okay guys? Hold on, guys. Computer, how do you sneeze faster?
I don't know that one.
Okay. I'm not sure if you heard that, but I searched up something up on my Alexa over there. How to sneeze faster so this can be more entertaining. I'm very sorry that I don't have any sneezes. I do have a few sniffles though. I think that counts. Not sure if it does. Okay, 30 seconds left until the sneeze challenge over. Oh, it's over. I'm very sorry, guys. I couldn't get any sneezes in. I'm super sorry. I wish I could. But that's basically what the video is about. Sorry that I didn't get any sneezes in. I'm very sorry. And I'm also going to be getting a puppet show video after this one. So, goodbye.